times have you checked your email inbox today? I'm guessing probably at least once, right? Well, I bet you didn't know that you could get paid to read emails like the ones in your inbox. This is a way to be able to make money over and over again, and you may be wondering how much money you can actually make this way. Well, picture this. You could make up to $50 just by reading 10 emails. And if you read 20, you could make up to $150. I mean, you could even make $400 doing this. I'm going to show you how you can get started earning big bucks. Do not fret because you won't need to spend any money at all to get started, and you can pretty much do this from anywhere on the planet that has internet. So even if you aren't from the US, this is still a method that you can use. Anywho, you're going to want to stay with me until the very end of this video so that you can learn all of the ins and outs to this method. I have some pretty useful tips, so keep watching. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Okie dokie, artichoke. So the very first thing that you're gonna want to do is open up a browser and go to this website right here. And this is basically a website where you can answer surveys and make money just by doing that. So I'm gonna put a stop to that because you're not gonna be doing surveys on this website. Instead, you're gonna be reading emails that they send you. Now, if you aren't completely convinced, you can actually take a look right here and you'll see that they've paid millions of dollars to their users all around this world. Plus, the great thing about this site is that they pay you in cash. So you don't get points or rewards or gift cards, they actually pay you in cold hard cash. So basically how it works is that you get paid for every single email that you open. So you can opt in for certain types of emails like NCAA sponsored advertising and that type of thing. So all you have to do is open the messages, read them, and then you get paid. Now, before I really get into it though, this is a little bit of a tricky sign up process because this website is only available in some countries like Canada, the US, the UK, and Australia. But if you don't live in any of those countries that I just listed, do not worry because there is a way for you to still be able to sign up for free. So I'm going to show you how that works, but you're going to want to listen in and pay attention to the rest of this video. Now, if you don't follow this way to sign up, you could miss out on making hundreds of dollars. So you're going to want to pay attention to every single part of the sign up process because every single part is vital. So before we actually sign up with this site, there is another site that you're going to need. So sit tight because this part of the video is very important. Anywho, before I actually get into the sign up process, I'm just going to take you through the website really quickly. So if you've logged in and you have an account, you're going to notice that they have different categories that you can choose from, like politics, cars, so on. So all you have to do is choose these two categories, and these two are the ones that are going to help you make the most money by reading emails from them, and that is shopping, fashion, and health and beauty. So those are the categories that you're going to want to look into and focus on, so be sure to choose those. Now, those two categories can help you earn as much as $10 for every single email that you open, so it's definitely what you're going to want to pick. Alright, so if you want to go ahead and sign up for a free account, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this link right here. And then once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page where you're going to need to fill out all of the personal information that it asks for. And once you do that, you are going to be ready to get started and have a free account to be able to start making money. As I said earlier though, there is a way to mess this up, so you're going to walk with me through each step so that you can make sure that you do not make any mistakes. So the very first thing that you're going to put in is your email address, then you put in your first name and then your last name, and then for some safety precautions, this is the secret strategy that is going to help you out. So if you don't live in the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia, you're going to want to go ahead and do this first. So you're going to open up a browser and go to google.com, and once you've got that page loaded, you're going to go ahead and type in random list here in the search bar and search for that. Now, the very first website that loads here on Google results is a random list generator that's going to help you out. Alrighty, so once you click on that, you're gonna see that you can generate random things like addresses, and these addresses can be in the US or Canada, different countries. So you can go ahead and pick wherever you want your address to be. But the one catch is that you're gonna wanna make sure that these addresses that they come up with are fake. So do not use a real address, you're gonna wanna use a fake US address. Now, if you want, there even is an option for you to be able to pick what state you're going to be in or what province or area you want to be in different countries. So you can go ahead and do that if you want. And this is really cool because if you select a certain option, you'll see a list of possible addresses that are going to load. And then you can sign up using any of these addresses right here.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now, once you get back to the page, you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste that address into the form. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and continue on with the rest of the information that it asks for, like your date of birth, your ethnicity. Now, another bonus tip that's going to help you score more cash is if here in the ethnicity bar, you go ahead and pick Caucasian. After that, you're just going to go ahead and agree to their terms and conditions. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to another page after you hit continue. And this is just pretty much a consent form that you're going to want to sign. So it's really easy. Just click all the boxes and you can make money just by doing this. So if you followed my instructions to a T, you should be able to have access to really high-paying surveys. Some surveys can even pay you up to $50. So go ahead and make sure that you get everything right. If you didn't understand part of the video, you can always go back and rewatch it, because if you do mess up this process, there is a chance that you can miss out on making a lot of money. This is a really great way to score some cash, so I highly recommend that you check out this website, go ahead and sign up, but be sure to make sure that you follow all of the steps that I showed you in this video. Try it out, and good luck, my friends.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.